Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you why is PeoplePerHour sync not working 2026. It can be due to several common reasons. Server or API issues. Temporary backend problems or downtime can prevent proper syncing. Internet connection problems. Slow or unstable internet may interrupt data synchronization. Browser or app issues. Outdated browser, app versions, or corrupted cache can block sync processes. Account authorization issues. Expired sessions or login token problems may stop syncing. Permissions or integration errors. If using third-party tools or integrations, incorrect permissions can prevent sync. High traffic or delays. Heavy load on the platform can cause delays in updating data across accounts. Security restrictions. Suspicious activity or account checks may temporarily limit syncing. If the problem continues, try refreshing, re-logging in, clearing cache, or contacting PeoplePerHour support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching!